From the beautiful shores surrounding Catalina comes Emerald Bay, one of the top 10 diving spots in the world, and the new location for Marine Science Adventures Camp. The directors of Marine Science Adventures Camp constantly work to provide one of the most exciting, educational, and rewarding experiences possible for students. Emerald Bay, MSA's new location, is known to be one of the most beautiful coves on the island. The cove is found on the leeward side of Catalina Island, near two harbors. The snorkeling area for MSA encompasses a rich marine habitat with remarkable biodiversity, and the accommodations range from tents to fully enclosed cabins. Marine Science Adventure Camp students will also experience the USC Wrigley Marine Institute. The USC Marine Lab is located in Little Fisherman's Cove at Two Harbors. The center consists of a 30,000 square foot laboratory building, a dormitory for housing, and cafeteria complex. This coastline encompasses a marine life refuge that was established in 1988 and is comprised of soft sediment and kelp forest habitats that is home to a diversity of organisms. And that's only part of what's happening at the new Marine Science Adventures Camp location. To bring you closer to an MSA experience, take a close look at the joy that students have already found at MSA. For the next few minutes, we're going to take you back in time to a previous MSA year. These students have just completed an outstanding experience at Marine Science Adventures Camp. Just look at the expressions on their faces. They learned about the exciting adventures to be found in marine biology. They played and enjoyed the camp, and most importantly, they experienced a part of life that will remain with them for a lifetime. Catalina Island has some of the most preserved natural history in California, and the MSA camp is surrounded by one of the largest canyons on the island, and students can enjoy miles of a scenic adventure. The students are taught how to write a research journal. The students use the journal to record the different discoveries of each marine and science project they will encounter during their stay at camp. MSA instructor and lifeguard Matthew Sutton explains how to prepare a marine and science research journal and begins the laboratory instruction on the different coastal birds that students can expect to see.
I do want to give you a short introduction to some of the coastal birds so that when you get out there, you're going to know what you're looking for. And then when we go out kayaking, you'll be able to see the bird and know what it is.
Students leave the classroom for the beach and are divided into 3 teams. Each team will attempt to match the name of a bird to various cards that describe the different characteristics of several coastal birds. Biologist, co-founder, and CEO of Marine Science Adventures, Annie McCauley says, the desire of MSA goes beyond classroom instruction. The marine biologist says the goal is to see the student as a whole being.
Not just look at their intellectual needs, not seeing what they need to learn from a scientific viewpoint, but to look at them as a whole individual, to see that they have needs emotionally and spiritually that need to be spoken to, and camp is a perfect place to do that.
Students attend a fish lab to prepare for a snorkeling adventure. The fish lab provides the students an opportunity to see and actually touch some of the different species of fish that swim near White's Cove. Students learn that fish can be identified in several ways: by color, size, shape, and fins. With the fish lab classroom instruction completed, wetsuits and snorkel gear are given to the students. Before entering the water, the students learn a wetsuit helps them to float. They also learn the proper breathing procedure while snorkeling.
I'd like you to get used to the feeling of breathing through a snorkel. It's different. Your nose is covered. Most of us are used to breathing through our nose, so it just takes a few minutes to get used to it.
Students are now ready to get in the water. White's Cove on Catalina Island provides an excellent underwater seascape for diving and snorkeling. Videographer and diver Jeff Hornacek captures some excellent underwater footage of students and nature. Snorkeling at MSA Camp is one of the great adventures students will long remember. With the snorkeling lab completed, students enter data in their journals, the type of fish, the date, location, and a conclusion about their discoveries. By the time students get out of their wetsuits, it's dinner time. During the dinner hour, students share some of their experiences and adventures. After dinner, there's a short break to wait for darkness to arrive.